All right, today is February 18th. It's a Friday night, and we are here at the Spaghetti Dinner fundraiser. I've been told it's for prom.
Is he still talking?
Spaghetti.
All right, so we're gonna eat this spaghetti.
Gracious host, and the chef himself, Mr. Dr. Murray. Say a few words for the.
This is artisan craft. It was made with my bare hands.
Let's look at the texture of this meatball.
Wow.
I'm going to run out of words. I'm serious.
You can't really put food on a 1 through 10 scale. It's more complex than that.
Very accurately put. Now, I would actually give this dish a 42.7 out of 61, mainly because I'm allergic to gluten, but other than that, ecstatic.